If you're having this issue installing Windows 11, well, I have the solution for you. So let's dive into this tutorial right now. If you're having this issue, you have to go back to this option and you have to press SHIFT and F10, okay? So once you're here, you have to write regedit. I will let the link, the commands on the description, and you have to go to HKey local machine, system, setup, and in setup you have to right click, new, key, and you have to change the name of the key to LabConfig, and inside LabConfig you have to right click, new, DWORD 32-bit, and you have to create the next DWORDs, bypass CPU check. You double click and change the value to 1, and you have to do this a few more times with different names. BypassRAMCheck, the same with the value. BypassSecureBootCheck. BypassStorageCheck. And the last one is very easy. BypassTPMCheck, change to 1, and now you can install Windows easily. So you press next, and as you can see, you can install once for all the Windows. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button.